Hey everybody, welcome back to Lithium Tool On. We have something pretty cool today. We're actually going to be checking out a 20 volt lithium ion cordless chainsaw. This is a 10-inch chainsaw. Now the folks over at Akai, I'm pretty sure I'm saying that wrong, sent this over to me. They wanted me to review it and they wanted me to test it out and give my honest feedback. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So without further ado, pull it in close, let's put it together, and then let's go ahead and test it out. So this comes with a typical charger. This is a lithium ion battery. This comes with a 4 amp hour, 80 watt hour battery. You can tell the battery life just by a press of a button there. You insert this on the bottom of the handle here. This way, then you depress 2 buttons to pull it out. Now this has a double interlocking system here. So this is the locking nut, and then this is your tensioner right here, the larger nut on the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and unscrew this all the way. It comes right off. We're going to put our chain on, but we got to make sure it's going the right direction. So this is, make sure the teeth are facing out. And let's see here, it's showing that the teeth flow this way. Okay, so it's on, it's in. So let's turn it on the side. So it's in there. Now, it has to be in a groove. What I like to do is I'm just going to hold it with this hand here. Let's push this down. Let's start spinning it. Okay, so we're going to back it up just a little bit. Now, we turn it this way in order to tighten it. So let's go ahead and turn that. Let's try and lock it down. Okay, good. So I can see where I can pull it out just a little bit there. Okay, so that's nice and tight. It's not going anywhere because I've locked this down and here. So now we're going to put a little bit of bar oil in. You can see there's a sight level right there, so you can see where it's at. It's right in the middle for our needs. Once everything's prepared, you can go ahead and stick the battery in. Now let's test it. Now it does have a brake as well, so you can hold it fully in. But as soon as the brake hit, that is your safety right there. Let's try it again. There you go. Okay everybody, so I hope that everyone enjoyed this demonstration. If you would like to try out this product, just give it a shot. Go down below and you'll see the link to this product. You can pick it up there. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you in the next one.